welcome back to my channel Be Obsessed. This is Sumana. It's a pleasure meeting with you guys again, and today's video is about a topic which is really been researched on a regular basis on Google, on YouTube, everywhere, because we are not able to reach to a permanent solution. In my channel, in my previous video, I have a video which I'll link it somewhere here. There's an option which I have already informed you guys, and you guys have received tremendous results out of it. And that is the reason I was doing a little more research, because many of you were not able to find the products that I have mentioned. This product today that I'm going to mention is available on Amazon, and both the products are available on Amazon. So I would leave the link in the description box below. And also, let me give you the introduction of this product. So you will see the details here. It's called Hurtle Varkey. Hurtle Varkey is an ancient old age therapy, or maybe a stone, or maybe a mineral. It's actually a mineral that is used to reduce facial hair growth or body hair growth, and it retails for somewhere around $6, or somewhere around 600 rupees in Indian currency. And this has got tremendous results, guys. Trust me, you would see the results from the first usage itself, and you will say bye-bye to unwanted hair forever. Trust me, forever. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and spread your love by sharing this video with your friends and family who you think would require this treatment, to help them save the cost on laser treatment or on any parlor treatment like waxing on a monthly basis. This is just a one-time investment, and it's a very minimum cost that you can get rid of your facial hair, your body hair, your arm hair, bikini line. Everything can be taken care of with this only 2 ingredients that I'll be mentioning later in the video. So just take you to the ingredients and show you how you need to apply it, when you need to apply it, and what are the benefits. Oh, by the way, people who are suffering from PCOD will be really happy, or any kind of hormonal disorder will be really happy, because this will help you treat your unwanted hair that you get because of hormonal disorder or PCOD in unwanted places like your chin or your upper lip or sideburns. This will also help you reduce that. Trust me, guys, it is just a miracle product, and I'm in totally love with it, and that is the reason I thought I would share it with you guys as well. So stay tuned, keep watching. Let's go to the recipe and show you how to do it. Hey guys, for today's video, as you can see, I will be introducing you guys with a very new product. This is the first time I'm experimenting with this product, and I would like to tell you that it works really amazing. I have tried it on myself and it worked fantastic. And I know there are many of you who are actually suffering from unwanted hair growth. And as you know that I always tell you guys that, I don't like to have hair on my body also. And I know that many of you don't like so. That is the reason it's kind of a permanent solution for you guys, because it actually delays the process of hair growth. And this is very good for your body hair removal, also for facial hair removal. But first of all, I would request you all to try this on your body parts like your legs or your arms and see the results. So let me introduce you with this gentleman here, and this is called the Hurtle Varkey. This is a very old ancient therapy that people from Afghan has used it to remove their body hair. So you can see all the ladies, the Afghanis, are so beautiful. They have fantastic skin. Also, people in the Egyptian countries has been using this since ages. And yes, So this is how it looks, but you cannot use it like this. What you need to do is you need to grind it in a mixer. Yes, you need to grind it in a mixer, and you need to make a paste like this, a powder like this. Okay, so I have already made a powder out of it, and you can see. So it is little, it takes little time to change itself into a powdered form, but this is how it looks once it is into a powdered form. It would look like turmeric, but it's not turmeric, guys. So this is what it is. And the next ingredient is, it's called limestone. Limestone, you can get it easily on Amazon. So this is also used, for, I think, for many other beauty products, and this is also used for consumption as well. So there are people who eat a lot of, betel nut and pan, and that's when it goes in it. So this is, in Hindi it's called chuna. Okay, but this is the powdered form of that. So these are the two main ingredients, and along with that goes rose water. Okay, so we will do the paste right now, and I'll show you how it is. So let me just remove this because it's already made of I've already made a powdered form of it. Okay, so I'll show you the quantity that you need to take. So you just need a little bit of it, depending on which area you are utilizing it. So this much of powder will do. Okay, so just make sure that you don't have any lumps of it, because it's really difficult to make a paste of it, guys, trust me. But it's very, very effective, very, very effective. And also the products, I would leave the link below in the description box. Okay, so the same quantity of this white limestone powder also goes in it, same quantity. Okay, right, and then you need to just mix this two like so. If you're taking 1 teaspoon of Hurtle Varkey powder, you need to take 1 teaspoon of limestone powder as well. So same quantity, the ratio is 50-50. And then you need to add rose water to it. So I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of rose water. Okay. And it needs to form into a paste like so. You can see the paste here. The consistency of the paste should be like this. Okay. All right. Okay, so you need to mix it like this, as I told you, and let me show you a closer look. This is the consistency. Okay, now let us try it on my legs and show you how it can remove hair from your body. So I have actually got very thick hair on my legs, and that is the reason I'm using this in front of you guys like a demo, so that you guys know that this actually works. So let me show you how to apply it. Okay, so guys, you can see that I have a lot of hair on my legs. So that is the reason I have kept it like this, so that I can show it to you guys what you exactly need to do. So you need to take this paste and you need to apply it with the help of a spoon. Don't use your hands, guys. Just use it with the spoon. So this is the directions that is mentioned by the company. So that's the reason I'm applying it like this. So you need to apply a very thick layer. Okay, like so. So you can see this entire area I have covered it, and we need to leave it on for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15 to 20 minutes, I will show you how exactly it looks. And trust me, guys, this one is very, very natural, very, very herbal. So there is not a bit of side effect on this. I can vouch for it, because as you guys know that I always first try it on myself and then I let you guys know what exactly needs to be done or how exactly it is supposed to be done. So that is the reason why this is how it looks. So we'll wait for another 20 minutes. I can just tell you that there is a slight tingling sensation that is happening, but I guess that's absolutely okay. So I will come back in 20 minutes and I'll let you guys know what exactly was the outcome of this one. Alright guys, so I've been waiting for almost 20 minutes now. And let's just remove this. So the paste is almost dry, so let's just remove this and see how the results are. So you need to take a spoon. Okay, I'm taking the same spoon and you need to do it in opposite direction. So like this, you need to take care. Okay, so you can see that everything is just coming out. Okay. Oh my god, you must be amazing. Guys, take a close look and see the hair is removed. Let me remove it, clean it and show you again. Okay, so this is how you need to remove it. Okay. So guys, you can see the hair in this region has already gone. Oh my god, this is so nice. Let me wash it off and show you how exactly the results are. Okay guys, you can see the hair is removed. I have washed it and pat dried it and you can see the hair from this region is removed. So let me take a closer look on this. Let me show you. See, the hair in this region, whichever area I had applied, is just removed. So see, the hair has been removed, I guess from the roots. Yeah, because I cannot feel anything here. And this is amazing guys, this is amazing. So alright guys, so I hope you have enjoyed this particular remedy that I shared with you guys today. So if you guys really like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also spread your love by sharing this video with your friends and family members as well, and that means a lot for me. So I think that's the end of the video today. Free hair, removal or whatever it is. Happy hair free life forever to you guys, and to all the group that has extended the love to me. So this is Sumana signing off. Bye bye, stay fit and stay healthy. See you in my next video. Bye bye.